welcome back to Diwalog. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing something super important, that is how I get unready. That basically means how I remove my makeup and my nighttime daily skincare routine sort of. Getting unready is equally, if not more important than getting ready, even if you don't wear makeup, because you need to let your skin breathe. There's so many things that can clog up your pores and that is still not makeup. I just want to give a few clarifications before starting this video. First of all, makeup does not clog your pores. There's so many people who constantly annoy the shit out of me by saying, oh, if you want clear skin, just don't wear makeup. That's not how it works. You still gotta take care of your skin. B, I know a lot of people will say you can do everything that you're doing with so many products by just using coconut oil. Well, I use coconut oil. I have videos where I've shown that I use coconut oil to remove my makeup or to clean my face. But sadly, coconut oil is comedogenic. That means over a period of time, it will clog up your pores. And I did suffer from acne and a lot of breakouts, which I currently don't. So logically, in my brain, the thing that I'm doing right now is working for my skin. So yeah, that was just something I needed to clarify. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Alright, first things first, I'm just gonna clip back my bangs. I really can't tie my hair because they're so big. I'm still getting used to this big hair, but I'm just gonna tie them back so that they don't come in my way. Now for removing my makeup, what I've been currently doing and loving honestly is taking baby wipes. These are by Chicco. You can use any baby wipes. These are alcohol free, paraben free, so they're great for your skin. And then I take a micellar water. Currently I'm using the NYX micellar water. This is the stripped off micellar water, really good. I've been enjoying it. As you can see, I've used up a lot of it. Now what I like to do is I take a wet wipe. So I just pull out one sheet of the wet wipe, just like that, and then I just crumple it up in my hand, and then I'm going to take my micellar water. I'm going to soak my wet wipe with this. So this makes the wet wipe extra wet, if that's even possible, but it also adds to makeup removal properties. Now wet wipe alone cannot remove the makeup because some of the makeup is more stubborn. If you have very basic makeup on, like a BB cream, non-waterproof mascara, and just like a glossy lipstick, then maybe. But if you're someone who sets your makeup or has full coverage foundation or even has a liquid lipstick, you need extra of this. Then what I do is I just place this wet wipe on my face and I count very slowly from 1 to 15 so that the micellar water can actually break down the makeup. And once that is done, I literally just slide it off my face, and if there's any more makeup that I need to remove, I just go on this area specifically. Now that mostly all of my makeup is off, I'm going to wash my face, and for that I'm going to be using the Herb Day Cleansing Foam, the lemon variant by Face Shop. I've previously used the aloe variant as well and I really like it. And literally all I do, like I think all of us know this, I take a little bit of this on my finger, like a very small amount. You don't need a lot. Generally I would wet my face before doing this, but because this is for a video and I'm not in my washroom, I'm just going to take this and I'm going to massage it on my skin. And once I am done massaging this into my skin and all of my face has been cleared, I'm literally just going to wash it off with some water. I look like a Halloween ghost right now, but we've all been there. Alright, now I have fresh, plain, makeup-free skin, or so I think. This next step has been a game changer for me. I'm not even kidding you guys. I didn't even realize how much makeup was still left on my skin even after washing my face until I did this step. So I'm going to go back in with my micellar water. I'm going to take a cotton pad this time. You can also use a cotton, like just normal cotton. You don't need to use a cotton pad, but I already have a lot of them. So I'm just going to use this and I'm going to drizzle a little bit of my micellar water on top of this. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe my face all over with this cotton pad. Now you will see that there is still so much of makeup that's left on your skin even after washing your face. This is especially great for people who have larger pores because makeup can seep deeper down into your skin, and this will just ensure there is no excess makeup left on your skin. I would recommend double cleansing even if you don't wear makeup because it will clean any dust or pollution that's deeply settled into your skin. So after washing my face, I still had so much makeup on my skin and now it's perfectly cleansed. My skin is finally clean. Of course, you don't need to go in with NYX micellar water if you find it a little bit more expensive. There are more affordable options in the market like Garnier, Maybelline, and if you do your research, maybe even more companies have it. But as if you want more affordable options, I would highly suggest either Garnier or Maybelline. I like them both. Next up, I like to take a mist. I'm using the 7-day vitamin mist that I got from Korea, but any face mist that you like would work, even rose water. Now these are some techniques that I have seen that work for me, and I discovered them after a method of trial and error. So if something's not working for you, you might want to change the technique of the usage. So rather than just spritzing this directly on my face, I take a little bit of this on my palm. So I spritz this directly on my palm and I do about 3 to 4 pumps, and then what I do is I warm it up between my hands like that and I pat it into my skin like this. Now spritzing of course is great because it's lazier, but doing this will just warm up the product so that it actually seeps into your skin and it's not like a layer on top of your skin, so it genuinely works on your skin. So I'm just gonna pat this all in. While that is getting absorbed into my skin, I'm gonna do a lip balm, and I'm using the Baker Lip Balm. I've been in love with this lip balm for the longest time now, and I have my backups already ready. Like, I've used a lot of it. Like, all of these things are something that I do use on a daily basis, and I would say that if you want to develop a skincare routine, go for things that you can actually use. I'm not saying that this is my hard and fast rule. There's so many days that are my pampering nights, so I'd go in with a scrub, a face mask or whatnot, and then there are equal amount of days when I literally just wipe my face and call it a day because I'm tired. But yes, you need to create a routine which you can genuinely follow, even if it's 3 products, but make sure you use those 3 products every single day without a fail, unless you're having like a really tiring day and all you want to do is wipe your face and just crash, because I do that a lot of times. Next up, I'm going to use Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair. I use this in the day and the night time both. This is my 3rd bottle. That says a lot. I really like this product, but I use a different technique of usage. Again, it can be different to yours and there's no problem. There's no harm in trying it out. So what I do is I just use a whole pump and I take it on my hand, and again I just warm it up between my palms and I press it into my skin. I feel like this is the way that works best for me, rather than rubbing it in or anything, just patting it in. And of course Koreans have taught me to do this after every layer because it just helps in the penetration of product. Just rubbing the product between your palms makes it so much more absorbable, and this just helps it even more. You want the products to be absorbed. This application is not the final like end destination, absorption is. So just make sure everything gets absorbed nicely into your skin. And for my last step, I'm going to be using the It's Skin Hyaluronic Acid Moisture Cream. I've been loving this cream so much. This is the dupe for Clinique Moisture Surge, which also I honestly love, but this is a much cheaper option for that, and if you find it on sale, then there's nothing like it. This retails for 900 rupees, I guess, and there's a lot of cream that you get in it because you need a very small amount, so this is honestly like an investment. But again, there are other options in the market if there's a cream that works amazingly for you. A more affordable alternative that I honestly love are the Himalaya Youth Eternity creams. They are so good, you guys. I finished them, but they are amazing. So I've just taken a little bit of cream on my hand. Again, I'm just rubbing the cream between my fingers to warm it up, and I'm gonna pat it into my skin. I'm gonna be honest, it doesn't take that long. Like, theoretically listening to it might seem like, oh, you're patting in 3 layers, but it just takes like, you have to wait 10 seconds in between, and it literally takes just 10 to 15 seconds. And I think that much time you can invest in your skin if you want healthier skin. You can't wish for something and not work for it. So yes, I'm just patting this into my skin, and this just makes sure that my skin is hydrated throughout the night. Hyaluronic acid is amazing for almost all skin types. If you've not used anything with hyaluronic acid till now, you need to try it because it's bomb@degree.com. Now, because I'm massaging and warming up so many things, my hands are also hydrated because I have Sahara Desert dry hands. And that's my Get Unready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please feel free to substitute your own products for whatever I've used. I wanted to show you the steps of things, the techniques and everything. And yeah, I hope that was helpful for you guys. And if it wasn't, don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean the world to me. Let me take down the clip because it makes me look stupid. And I will see you guys tomorrow with, I think, not so crazy hair. Till then, take care. Mwah. Bye.